Doho mano manyien ma Mayala ne obedo kod chenro mag odiechieng' mano ma kawuono. Chenro go gin mago mokwongo e yepo mano mar doho no. Mae en okang' mano mabende kelo doho duto te mago mabende dore e kaunti ma Siaya chopo abich. Kane otwak kod jofwamb weche tok kane gisebedo kod chenro mano makare, Magistrate mano maduong' Virginia Karanja ne oyango ni yepo mano mar doho Mayala no en mano mabende makore kod lek mano mabende ogai mano mar bad migao mar doho nitiere godo e pacho kae, mano mar neno ni oganda jo Kenya obedo machiegni kod chenro duto te mago mag doho.
My name is Honorable Virginia Karanja, Senior Principal Magistrate, transferred to Yala Law Court. This is the first sitting we are having today at Yala Law Court, having received 382 cases from Siaya, which now emanate from this jurisdiction. This is the maiden sitting of this court. We want to encourage members of the public from Game Yala and the larger Yala community that the distance has been reduced in the spirit of staged by the Chief Justice to make courts more accessible, to reduce the distance at a minimum cost. That is why Yala was operationalized, and they have sent the staff, they have sent a judicial officer, together with the ODPP here, who have already also sent their staff. We are now here to serve you, to reduce your distance to Siaya, having informed you that the files have already arrived, and they are all case types. We have land matters, around 161 files received. We have succession matters, 150, which have already come in. Criminal matters were 70, and we have started new registration effective today. Those are new matters that have been launched today. So the cases will be heard in real time, and we hope that with this message through the Fourth Estate that members of the public will now access the court, come and enjoy the fruits of justice at a very minimum cost. That is the vision of the Chief Justice, which we are here to make sure that it is achieved. Yala has so much of land matters compared to criminal matters. We are all up to task. The office of the ODPP will help us to now do the case clearances in their criminal matters, which largely are criminal with very serious charges like robbery, with violence, lots of cases of grievous harm that emanate from this area. Tutawakaribisha wakati tunaanza ile kikao yetu ya Court Users Committee. Watumizi wa koti wanatumia idara ya mahakama, mtakuja mtueleze vile mnataka, lakini pia kwa idara ya mahakama kuna njia mingi za kusuluhisha makesi. Ya kwanza tunakubaliana, tunaruhusu mkubaliane kinyumbani kivyenyu through AJS, that is Alternative Justice System. Tuko na ADR, Alternative Dispute Resolution, ambao zinarahisisha kazi. Kesi zinakuja kotini ni zile kesi ambao haziwezi suluhishwa nyumbani. So tunawahimiza kuwa mkuwe na watu wa amani. Kama kuna kesi ndogo ndogo kati ya family members, jaribuni kusuluhisha huko kinyumbani. Kiwashinda kujeni kotini, mkiomba koti muda, tutawapatia muda muende msikizane kwa hizo makesi zenyu. Kama ni succession cases, make sure mmekuja mmefile